Hello. Today what I've been doing is out here just scouting around and taking a walk through the woods. We still have a lot of snow in many places right now and a lot of ice. Now I decided to bring out a cook system that I'm going to use today and make my breakfast out here. I'm going to share that with you because I think it's a pretty cool cook system. What I brought out today is the APG 1400 milliliter pot and camp stove combo. This here is a lot like other products out there, and a buddy of mine has used another similar product like this for years, and it's one of his favorite. It's his go-to pot and cook system. This here is a lot cheaper than his was, so I thought I had to try it. This one here, it weighs 550 grams, so just over a pound. But a lot of cool features. It has the heat exchanger on the bottom, so it doubles the boil time, so it saves gas. Also says it's windproof. Now this here, of course, the boil times are going to vary according on the temperature out there. Right now it's hovering around 0 Celsius, so freezing temps. And also how much wind. You're still going to be affected by some wind with this. There is some wind right here in this area, but I placed this measuring cup in here, and I have my fuel in here as well. I put it in a plastic bag so it's not scraping the inside of my pot. And then you have the stove as well. And I've done the same thing. I put it in a plastic bag. Now I'm going to show you how this sets up. And it's pretty cool actually. You've seen, like I said, similar products to this, and it sets up basically the same way. And they have been used for many years and loved. So you have your fuel canister there. This is your stove. Make sure this is in the off position. Going to screw that on till it's snug. There we go. Has a self-igniter, and this is to adjust your fuel. Your pot slides on here and clicks on. Now that's ready now. I have to find a place where it's going to be secure. Right there. It should work great. I can start it up, put my water in first, start it up. Now this also has a neoprene sleeve on it, which helps retain the heat. And now I guess I just have to put some water in, measure out what I need for my oatmeal, start her up. That's a cup and a half of water, and it's roughly around 2 minutes. The thing about this, you just turn this and take this off. Set that aside. And now I can add my oatmeal to it, but that boiled rather fast. I'm impressed. This is only a cup and a half of water in here. But most meals that I take out to go camping and such is 2 cups of water. So, should come in very handy. So I'm going to let my oatmeal cool for a little bit before I eat. But I just wanted to share this cook system with you because it may be something that you can enjoy as well. I'll leave a link down below where you can check it out. This is a very nice spot to enjoy a breakfast for sure. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to share this cook system with you. And I want to thank you for watching. Take care and all the best.